Vivo X200 Pro and X200 Ultra. You heard this name countless time now because they are packing a pretty good camera setup that is able to compete with other flagships like Google, Apple, Samsung in very hard neck-to-neck competition and even beat them in some specific criteria. So, does the phones all about camera or they are actually good phone to be considered? Let's talk about them. Starting with the design, both phones look similar. With the Ultra, there is a texture inside the glass. Both have metal frames, but the main highlight of them is the camera. So they both have huge camera bumps, and Ultra's camera bump is nearly as thick as the main phone frame. Next up is the Ultra have a specific camera dedicated button, but not the Pro. Weight wise, both are same. Ultra a little bit more heavy. Both have curved display, nearly same display size, with Ultra a little big size, a decent outdoor peak brightness. Forget about the top 9 nits number, they are useless, but both are decently visible in indoor and outdoor. You can check the specifications here if you like. Both are come with ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, that's a good plus point. Now all about the camera, so let's talk about it. Both have main 50 megapixel camera, but the Ultra have a bigger aperture than the Pro, but main highlight of them is the ultra wide, because the Ultra actually comes with the same camera on the main sensor as this ultra wide, but with a bigger aperture lens, so the ultra wide photos are so much details. But the Pro comes with a 50 megapixel ultra wide, but it's not the main lens. It is a dedicated Sony lens with a little bit smaller aperture, and it does not give as much clarity and details as the Ultra. In the front camera, Ultra has a bigger sensor with 50 megapixel f2.45. The Pro has a smaller sensor. Telephoto wise, both are same. Both come with the 200 megapixel f2.81 by 14 aperture camera. So both are same. The Pro is little bit downgraded. The performance wise, the Ultra have the Snapdragon 8 Elite, which is superior than the MediaTek 9400. But to be honest, at the price point the phone come, not only Vivo, any other company's flagship phones are decently enough powerful to handle day-to-day tasks and basic gaming. So it is applicable for all brands. You can definitely go with them without any other consideration if you are not in hardcore gaming. Remember, if you are in hardcore gaming, then there are specific phones. Other than that, in most of our tests, both performs decently, but everywhere Ultra is superior than the Pro, because it is also superior than the MediaTek. In the benchmark, Geekbench, Antutu, everywhere Ultra performs better than the Snapdragon perform better than the MediaTek. But other than that, there is nothing to worry about that. Rest both come Android 15 based Origin OS 5. You can say it's the flagship version of Vantage OS, but basically it's Vantage OS, just name a different, so you can't get the cheap, low price feeling. Rest both have the same features, everything same, all Android features and some extra customization option that you get with Androids. Especially the notification control, I like it the most because it have the both split screen and single screen option. You can switch between them. Rest the battery, both have 6000 mAh battery. With any other standard PD charger, they can go up to 90 watts, and both have wireless charging with Ultra 40 watt and Pro limited to 30 watt. Both support reverse wireless charging. When you use any good quality PD charger, they will charge within an hour, and rest the heating is not a big problem during charging because both have silicon carbide batteries. So would you consider this phone? Look, camera wise they are definitely good. Performance wise both are good. Price difference among them are a little bit, but rest than the other brands top flagships, they are cheaper still now. The display, the performance, the camera, all are good, but the main consideration is OS. Both of come with a cheap OS, and there is too much bloatware that I can't like so much. So if you are happy with Vantage OS, then you can definitely go with them. They are very good phones. If you like the video, subscribe the channel, like the video, and let us know in the comment which topic you want the next video.